What up, everybody? Today I'm unboxing the Asus M515DA laptop. It's a great budget-friendly entry-level laptop that goes for about 6,000 Rand. So let's get started with what's in the box. Here we get the 45 watt 4.0 AC power adapter. Next up, we get the laptop itself, but we'll get back to that. And then at the bottom, we get some paperwork, which includes the instruction manual and some warranty cards. Okay, now back to the laptop. This one is a gray model. On the left panel, it has the charging port, a 3.2 USB-C port, air vents, an HDMI port, and one 3.2 USB-A port. On the right panel, it has some indicator lights, the audio jack, two USB 2.0 ports, and the security lock feature. Then at the bottom, we get some more fans and air vents and the dual speaker system. When we open it up and have a look at the stickers, it has a nano edge display. It's lightweight at about 1.8 kilograms and has a super battery. It also uses Asus's Sonic Master audio and runs on AMD Ryzen 3 processor and the AMD Radeon graphic. Above the screen, we get the VGA camera and microphones. It also has 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 solid-state drive. This makes the Asus M515DA a perfect budget-friendly laptop, especially for students or anybody who uses their laptop for just basic regular day-to-day functions.